Hello my friends, it's me, Michael, with another episode of Magnum Videos. And today we're going to talk about the Rode Videomic Pro. So let's get started. Alrighty, this is the Rode Videomic Pro. Just picked this up yesterday at Best Buy. Someone was a little over aggressive on their security device that they tied down on here and kind of bent the box a little bit, but it's okay. So we're going to open this up and see what's included. Now, that makes it pretty easy to open. Alright, we have the little instructional paperwork here. We have the Rode Videomic, and as we look at this, we can see that there's a little door on here where the 9-volt battery goes. There is a connection to your hot shoe or cold shoe on your camera. There is a Rycote suspension device here. It has a little cover on the top of it. The cable is not removable, so if anything happens to this, you're probably going to have to either rewire it or get a new microphone. On the back we have an off and on, and as you can see we've got a green light because I've already put the battery in, and a high-pass filter that gets rid of your low rumbling tones. Down below we've got 3 settings for the audio. We've got a 0 decibel, we've got a -10, and we've got a +20. So let's get this little baby on the Canon and give it a try and see how it sounds. Alrighty, this is the Rode Videomic Pro on the Canon 70D. And we're doing a test to see how the sound compares to the onboard mic. So this is set at just the regular setting at 0 decibels and no high-pass filter, and we're going to switch it now to the +20 decibels and see how that comes out. Alright, we have switched the setting on the microphone to +20 decibels, and we went back into the camera and adjusted the audio from like 3/4 down to like 1/4. So hopefully that will get rid of any of that noisy sub-amp or whatever it is in the Canon that is so noisy. That's the second setting on here. Now we're going to change it once more and put it on the high-pass filter setting and see if that changes the tone. So wait right there, I'll make a change. Alright, this is the final setting with the high-pass filter engaged, and we'll just see how that sounds in comparison to the other setting. So I hope you will leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you're considering one of these mics, I'll let you know in a few days in another video how I like this and whether I'm going to keep it or take it back and trade it for something different. But at this point, this is just the first test. So leave a comment. If you have one of these, leave a comment. Tell me how you like it. And I think that's it for now. So until I speak with you again, even after that, you stay focused.